Okay, I want to do a short video on turning a couple of styles of pipe stems on the lathe. Despite the fact that historically turners seem to not have had any association whatsoever with the pipe making industry, neither bowls nor stems, it is a practice that is ideally suited to turning in various aspects. So I want to show how to do it. This is a very inexpensive Harbor Freight lathe. It's under $100. I'll be using two tools on it, and I've drilled these out with the drill press. This first video is just a basic discussion of pipe stems so that we know what we're talking about. The pipe stems that we're used to are ebonized vulcanite or something like that, some sort of plastic, rubber product, and has a tenon that goes into a mortise cut on the bowl, various things here depending on what the design of the stem was and whatever they were advertising, and then that's it. This is a breezewood pipe made of mountain laurel during World War II and immediately thereafter. Here is another mountain laurel pipe made by D&P. This was wartime issue for the military. This is a maple stem, mountain laurel, Calmia latifolia, not rhododendron, mountain laurel root burl, and you can see that this is very basic, just pushes in. And then you can get, we have some other things here briefly. This is interesting. This is a bone cork with just a metal stop. That would have gone straight into the bowl too, I imagine. This bone is not turned, it's just been reamed out, and so that is, it looks like it may be a bird bone. Don't know. Just got that in yesterday. And then here's one of horn with a bone threaded tenon because the horn would tend to chip or flake under, you know, it doesn't need to have the tenon going in. Also briar, which is what is normally used for pipes, is a little bit chippy as well, and so the threaded tenon may have been thought of to help keep the insertion point from chipping out. Amber, which was used as well, is very, very chippy, and you would always want to use a tenon of some sort. And this is standard turning fare here. This was done on a lathe, this little bit of it, if nothing else. Now, here are, I've got a couple of things. This is a pipe that Alan made. This is out of ebony, and you can see that it is the standard mortise and tenon. Okay, so nothing wrong with doing it wood in the traditional, quote unquote, the 20th century style of stem. And then this is one that I worked up last night. This is more of a concept pipe right now, in that I had some drilling problems, and so this is this shiny pipe. You know, this is just a knick-knack at this point. But you can see here that I had fashioned a very, very elaborate ring of highly figured ebony. This may be American persimmon, I'm not sure. But this is a glorious sort of example of why a turner can go to town on a pipe stem. So with the next video, I'll show how to turn a couple of very simple styles of pipe stems.